Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make back loops only single crochets. So let's get right into it. Most of the times you are going to have to make a normal single crochets, which is placing the hook into both loops here. But when you want to make a back loops only single crochet, you place your hook inside only the back loop. So as you can see, we have only one loop here, where instead, if we have a normal single crochets, we will have two loops here. So we have only the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both two loops. Again, we have only the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both two loops. Most of the time when you have back loops, single crochet, the pattern asks for a ridge, which is nicely made with the back loops single crochets. One last time, place your hook inside the back loop of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both two loops. This is it, guys. So if you have any questions, please comment down below.